Hello there. In this video, we will review how to sell a gift card throughout the Flawless Checkout app. To sell a gift card, start from the Services tab. First, select the customer. Then enter the required details for the gift card. If you're using a physical gift card, untick the Auto-Generate Gift Card Number option and scan the card you have on hand. Otherwise, leave it checked and the system will generate a code automatically. The details you can enter for the gift card are recipient's name, email, phone number, and a personal message. You can also set an expiration date for the gift card if needed. Once complete, add the gift card to the cart. You'll see it appear on the right-hand side of the screen. Continue submitting the sale and proceed to checkout, selecting the customer's preferred payment method. After completing the transaction, you can view the receipt. The gift card details will be included, showing who the card is addressed to. This is how you can submit a gift card sale through the Flawless app. Thank you for watching.